just next to HKU Aleurites, we can get close up to Aleurites moluccana. And one of the distinctive things is how white the new growth is on this tree, almost snowy in some places. The reason I stopped actually is because we can get a close-up of the foliage, the new foliage and the flowers on the Aleurites. Usually, of course, you can't get up into the top of the tree like this. But these ones are growing down, they grow right up from down there next to the art gallery at the west gate. You can see how tall and thin they've grown. And because they've grown so tall and thin, because they're looking for light and they're competing for light, you can see another interesting thing about this particular tree here is the installation of these cables, these support cables, right here attached to the road bridge here, and then there's another cable running. Where's it gone? There we go, across there, and then attached over here. I mean, this is playing safe, basically, to stop the tree from actually keeling over in a typhoon. But you'll notice that the cables are not tight, right? They're left quite loose, so the tree can still rock, in a reasonable wind, but hopefully it won't snap off or fall over completely in a typhoon. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention is, which I've mentioned to you before, but you can again here get a really good view of it, and that is how the leaves vary, right? So you would have noticed that the leaves on the older shoots like that, just simple shaped leaves, but then on these new shoots that are shooting out from the trunk here, you can see that they're palmate, almost the shape of maple leaves, which is quite interesting. One of those plants where the leaf shape varies on the same tree, exactly the same tree. So those leaves there are actually on the same tree as these leaves here, which is kind of remarkable, really. Anyway, there you go, Aleurites moluccana.